Welcome to my CSP project video. My name is Benjamin Harfus, and for this video I have spent and allocated some time to make a program which we call the Fitty Bitties. The Fitty Bitties is a program which is made for anyone out in the community for them to become fit, maintain fit, and also learn the importance of being physiologically fit and physically fit, and also learning the importance of nutrients and what it does to your body and how it affects you. But due to us still being in a trial stage, we'll be starting out with high school kids. So before we decided to start with the high school kids, we have conducted a survey out of 10 high school kids, which I have chosen, and 7 out of the 10 of them said they'll be able to make it before and after school, but the other 3 has unfortunately said no due to other commitments and so forth. The Fitty Bitties will also be ran for 3 months, and for each week during the 3 months we have three days where we hold our lessons and exercises and so forth. Each of them will be split up into theory, practical, and also learning how to safety, because after all you do not want anyone to getting injured while handling this type of equipment and whatnot. And also here at the Fitty Bitties, we are trying to have a partnership with the Cumberland Council, PCYC, and Woolies the Fresh Food People. The reason as to why we chose these 3 is simple, because Cumberland Council is the area of which we'll be operating in, and we also need the permission and legality of us becoming a non-profit organisation, as well as hopefully getting some funding from council and giving us the all green lights for us to operate in their areas. Another reason as to why we have chose PCYC is because they were able to aid us with volunteer instructors which could come out and help us and teach people how to handle equipment, and also teach us about the theory side about exercise and what it does to your mind, and also about nutrients. And I've also chosen Woolies the First Food People because they are able to provide us with healthy snacks and so forth, anything to do with food mainly. Yeah, and out here at the Fitty Bitties, we were trying to make it a very safe, fun, interactive program for people to enjoy. Also, we are hoping after we had passed the trial stage to include everyone out there in the community, because out here at the trial stage we do not want to waste too much funds in these type of things. And another thing is the legacy that I want to leave behind, hopefully if this program gets up and running, is that we are able to leave the participants a happy memory of the program, and also have some basic knowledge about anything that we have taught them, which might include this how to make SMART goals, max principles, and how to handle equipment, and what nutrients, how it affects the body, and so forth. And another thing is that hopefully if this does become a thing and I'm out of it, I am hoping for the company or the program to be self-sustainable, so it just keeps on running, even Lord knows how many years, once I put myself out of the equation. So that is all for my CSP project video. Thank you for watching.